Okay, so what I'm going to do today is clean this, what I believe to be the ABS sensor. I get a ABS light every once in a while, and I believe it's because these are too dirty. So I'm going to do this one and then the other side. And this is also kind of like hopefully you can see that, the kind of ghetto type work the previous owner had done. I put these zip ties in, but they were like duct tape. This is, I believe, the brake pad sensor. I tied this up, but I believe it goes in here somewhere, so I'm going to take a look at that later, but I'm going to first do this part.